And if you're a Vincent owner, you have the option of your hand change as well as your gear lever.
Yeah,
it's very handy. When you stop at the traffic lights, you look down and look at that indicator and make sure that's in neutral.
One of the reasons Dad set the record at 141 was you got to do 2 runs. He did about 148 on 1 run, and he actually broke the gear lever. And on the second run, he had to reach down and use the indicator lever to change gears, so he had to let go of the throttle shortly. So he did about 148 one way, about 132 the other, for the average 141.
So at top speed, 148. But you got to remember that everyone was driving around in Austin A40s then, and you could actually buy a motorbike that'd do 148 miles an hour off the showroom floor. Yeah, that's right.
In the top. Yeah.
Not at the fourth.
That's in top. That's on. Tickle, fellas. Tickle, and they're all on that side on this one. Tickle both.
Look at the float bowl too. I think it's actually going to flood, I think. Just give it a go now as it is. It's got a hell of a fuel leak going at the moment. Juice is off.
Ready? Yeah.
Alright, take 2. Fuel's off. Alright. Fuel.